Hello all, this is Dipali from ShubhSaugat, Lucknow, India, and I'm recording this video after a very long time as I was quite busy in my wedding. So today I'm recording this video to just show you all this rectangular chocolate box. It's a multi-purpose box. You can use it for like candies, handmade candles, handmade soaps, anything which you think that is suitable, any item which is suitable for the box you can use for that. So now I will just open it up and I'll show you. It's a slider box, so it's a sleeve, and here are some cavities. Cavities are mostly used for the chocolates. It can also be used for soaps also, as our customers have used them, and I'll take them out and I'll show you. It's a base where you can use this box with or without cavity as per your choice. And it's a sleeve on which we have put this ribbon. If you want, you can put it. Tag, if you want, you can put it. That is our optional. This is just some extra additional things just to make the box look more beautiful. That is up to you if you want to keep. And these are flat pack cavities that you will get from our website when you buy the boxes, and the flat pack base and the flat pack this sleeve, or you can say this cover. So now I'll show you that how you can fold the boxes if you buy it from our website. So it's a base here, and as you can see, there are lines on the base. These are the creasing lines from which we'll fold the box. All over the box you can see there are some lines through which only we will fold the box. So let's start, and I'll show you that how you can fold it up. So all the lines you need to just crease them up very lightly. It's not like it's very hard and it's to fold. It's very light. Just fold them up like this. This one also, and the last one has to be you have to fold it outer side. The last one same on all four sides. The last one will be folded outer side like this. So it's all done. Once you have creased the box, now we'll fold it up like this, and from this side just hold the box like this and just cover it up like this. It's done. Now from the another side like this. Yes. So finally it's done. See the overall look. It's finishing. It's very good. And due to flat pack, your shipping will be very less, because you are getting a flat pack boxes, as it requires less space, so shipping will also be less. Another thing is that if you are keeping them in stock, it will require less space also. Now we'll keep the cavities inside. I'll show you that how I have keeping them. So like this, you can keep cavities as per your choice. If you want to keep them all, keep them. If not, no issues. It's a sleeve now. We'll insert the base inside the sleeve like this, and it's done. Look, the look is very beautiful and it's very elegant. It's very clean, as you can see. If you want the boxes for bulk orders, you can contact us on the given number that is displayed on the screen. Now if you want to decorate the box, you can use these beads also and ribbon. That are optional. We are not providing that. We are just showing you that you can decorate the boxes as per your need or as per your business requirement. Like for wedding, you can just tie the ribbon, and you can use these beads. You can also use this box for invitation card. Like you can have a screen print on the box of the bride and groom, and inside you can keep the rolled invitation as well. For more decoration or for more cutting, you can ask us if we can do something. We'll definitely love to do. So it's a total box. It's very beautiful, sturdy. It's very sturdy. It's made up of craft paper of 350 GSM. And these tags, yes, you can buy them from our website also. And on any occasion like Rakhi, Diwali, we provide them free of cost if you buy the boxes from our website. So that's it. Thank you. Hope you like the video. For any inquiries, please call us on the given number. Thank you. Bye bye.